Here, we will show you how to transfer data from Samsung to Lenovo phone in 4 amazing ways. Way 1. How to transfer from Samsung to Lenovo via Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. Coolmuster Mobile Transfer makes it easier for you to transfer contacts, SMS, call logs, apps, videos, music, photos, and e-books from Samsung smartphone to Lenovo phone. 1. Install and launch Coolmuster Mobile Transfer on your computer. 2. Connect your Samsung and Lenovo phones to the computer via 2 working USB cables. Then ensure that you have enabled USB debugging on both devices. Once connected, you will see connected under the device images. Note: Samsung phone must be in the source position. If not, tap the flip button in between to switch them. 3. Tick photos from the content table and hit the Start Copy button below to start the syncing process. Way 2. How to transfer data from Samsung to Lenovo with Google account. 1. Set up Google account on your Samsung phone. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google, sign in with the valid Google account credentials. 2. Turn on the button next to the data you want to sync, such as calendar, contacts, app data, etc., and hit the Sync Now button. 3. Set up the same Google account on your Lenovo phone and enable the content you want to get. After a while, it will automatically sync the content from your Google account to your Lenovo device. Way 3. How to share files from Samsung to Lenovo with Quick Share. 1. On the receiving Lenovo phone, swipe down twice from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap on the Quick Share icon. If you don't see it, you may need to tap the pencil or edit icon to add it to your quick settings. 2. In the Quick Share settings, choose who can share with you. For a smooth transfer, select everyone or contacts if the Samsung phone is a contact in your Google account. 3. Make sure that Bluetooth and location services are turned on. Go to your Samsung phone and open the My Files app. Then locate the files you want to send. 4. Tap Share and select Quick Share. Your Samsung phone will scan for nearby devices with Quick Share enabled. The Lenovo phone should appear in the list. A notification will pop up asking you to accept or decline the transfer. Tap Accept. Way 4. How to send data from Samsung to Lenovo tablet using Bluetooth. Although it is an old-school way, you can use it to transfer a few files when needed. 1. Toggle on Bluetooth on both Samsung and Lenovo devices from Settings or the drop-down screen and pair them with the on-screen instructions. 2. Once connected, open the Gallery app on your Samsung phone, press and hold the photos you wish to send, and hit the share icon Bluetooth Lenovo's name. 3. On your Lenovo device, tap Receive on the pop-up window to start the transfer process.